Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Female foeticide means killing a girl child in her mother womb before her birth. Female foeticide takes place when the expectation of a boy child increases in a family. The main reason for female foeticide is the preference of a boy child, as Indian society is patriarchal, which is mostly governed by men. People with orthodox mentality think that only a boy can carry their generation ahead, not the girl. In some conservative families, girls are considered as a liability, but a boy is understood as a blessing. Gender discrimination among boys and girls, where boys are considered superior to girls, is also a factor of feticide. Female feticide occurs in those countries which have lack of education and where anti-woman tradition is practiced. With the progress of science and technology, sex determination is done to know whether the baby is a boy or a girl, which is made as a criminal offence. To curb female feticide, government has ordered to seal clinic and hospital and arrest doctor and families who are practicing it. Social campaigns should be run by the government and NGOs to spread awareness against female feticide and educate people